question is, we know that it is Sunnah to recite Quran from cover to cover at least once in a month. What of if I have time, maybe I finish it around 20 days or 17 days, and I relax for the next month? Is that acceptable, or I have to read it day by day? Or is it allowed to read it at least 1 month anytime you have time?
Okay, so basically speaking, Abu Abdurrahman is asking about the sunnah of finishing the Quran once a month. So he says, if I finished in 20 days, should I sit back and chill for 10 days without doing anything? Of course not. The sunnah is to complete the Quran once a month, in the sense that every night a Muslim has to have a portion of the Quran known as wird. He has to have a wird that he maintains every night, and if he oversleeps, like sometimes the Prophet did, alayhi salatu salam, he would make up his wird during the daytime between Fajr and Dhuhr, at the time of duha prayer. So this is what the sunnah is. But when someone finishes the Quran, finishes his wird earlier than the month, and there are few days left, it is not recommended at all for him just to chill and relax and not read anything. No, he has to go and read the Quran, memorize, revise some of what he has memorized, and occupy his night with such a similar wird, so that he would not be neglectful, and Allah knows best. Aisha says, is it prohibited to finish the Quran in 3 days? If you look at the hadiths, we have a minimal requirement that is highly recommended, and that is to finish the Quran once every month, as per the hadith of Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As. May Allah be pleased with him and with his father. The Prophet told him, recite the Quran once every month, meaning almost a juz' every day. And when he asked for more, the Prophet ﷺ told him to recite it in 7 days. And this is what the Salaf used to observe and continue to do. They used to finish it from cover to cover every 7 days. What about if someone is more energetic to do it in less? The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, in another hadith, do not recite the Quran in less than 3 days. So the best is 7 days. And you have concession to read it in 3 days. Finish it. 10 juz' every single day. But no less than that. So this is the most authentic opinion among scholars, that the best is 7, and you can go down to 3. Other than that, you would not be able to comprehend it as the Prophet stated, alayhi as-salatu was-salam, and Allah knows best. Abu Muhammad from the Emirates.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum as-salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, sir.
Yeah. My question regards when I finish eating the food, okay, can I clean the plate by my tongue? It's permissible? No problem?
I believe that you're asking about licking your plate, not that your tongue is so long that you go and wipe people's plates and yours as well. And if this is your question, the answer is yes. It is part of the sunnah and the etiquette that you clean and wipe your plate, whether with your fingers, and lick your fingers for the barakah, the blessing of Allah Azza wa Jal. Unlike the posh people who would say, ugh, this is disgusting, this is food. This is Allah's blessing and provision for me. I don't treat it as something that's irrelevant. This is something Allah has given me. So yes, it's part of the sunnah, if you eat with your fingers, that when you finish, you lick your fingers. And if you finish eating from your plate, you clean it with your finger and lick your finger, or you can lick your plate as well. But try your level best to choose when to do this, due to the fact that there are so many people that anticipate this. Imagine if I'm doing this in a 5-star hotel. I'm going to do the Sunnah. And I grab the plate and I start licking it in front of everybody, and they're taking shots of me and posting it on the internet. Oh, the barbarian Muslims, look at what they're doing. Did I do any good for Islam? Would they understand? No. The media is waiting for you to slip, to make a single mistake, magnify it, and tarnish the reputation of Islam because of you. So be careful in what you do. As always, measure by the consequences. So this is a sunnah. If I don't do it, I'm not sinful. But if I do it and this causes more harm than good, then I have lost the advantage, and Allah knows